How to create the Uber driver's account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You can sign up to Uber driver's account by either using the mobile app or the website version. So to get started with, you can go to any of your preferred browser or you could just download the Uber driver's app. Once that is done, tap on Uber driver sign up and tap on the first link by Uber driver. Once that is done, tap on sign up now and you can either log in using your email or phone number, continue with Apple or continue with Google account. Select the option that you want and then choose your email account or the Apple ID. Next up, you will have to verify your account. For this, click on continue button and it will ask you to select the reason. Once you have selected your reason, after that, an email will be sent. This is the verification mail that you need to verify from your Google account. And once that is done, you should be able to sign in. Some of the requirements for this is you require your driver's license, vehicle registration, and additional information required. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.